So here we have a Liebert, Emerson Liebert condenser with MC condenser. See the call is the MC style condenser with an EC Blue Liebert fan motor. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna turn this. I'm gonna test this fan motor. I'm gonna show you how to test this motor in the event you want to turn the motor on, just to test it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you do that. Simply, you're gonna just press the escape key, and you're gonna scroll down to the C parameters. And you're gonna press enter, and you're gonna scroll down to 24. 24. Press enter. Change that to 0. Press enter. You're gonna escape, and you're gonna go to 34. So 24 and 34. Okay. You go to 34. Press enter, and give it a speed. Let's give it. I'm gonna give it 100%. Press enter. Yeah, I can go 50% if I want. Let's escape that. Press enter again in 34. And let's bring that down. Lower, 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 lower. Let's go very, 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 very low. Let's go down to see something that's slow, so you could see the blades turning. All the way down to 10%. Enter. Enter. It's gonna slow down. Pretty cool. Slowing down to 10%, as you can see. Alright, can I even go slower than that? And here's all your commands list right here. You're interested? So I was doing C24 system state, and that could be manual or auto. Initially, normal run is in auto. When you're doing your testing, that's manual. And then over here, 34. EC1 fan speed request, and I just make it 100% or whatever. I just make it 9% right now. Let's just press escape on that, and then press enter again, and just bring that down a little bit further. Let's see how low we can go. Let's go to 5. Enter. It's going even slower. Wow, awesome. That's 5. Yeah, I guess that's just gonna stop. All right, that's it.